guys, how are you? Today I want to talking about Galaxy 6 and Galaxy 6 Edge and Galaxy 6 Edge Plus. I need to show you how you can open it, how you can fix something inside this phone. Maybe look like half dangerous, not dangerous, but if you need to work, you need to be careful. First time, if you need to, I need to show you how it look like Galaxy 6. Galaxy 6 look like this. Galaxy 6 look like this. Galaxy 6 Edge look like this. You see, and beside LCD, it look like this. Okay, you see, in the Galaxy 6 S, you can see LCD. It's not look like this. Okay, on the same, you have Galaxy 6 Edge Plus. You have Galaxy 6 Edge Plus look like this, or look like all the same Galaxy 6 Edge, but this one big. You see, this one big. Another one, Galaxy 6 Edge small. Galaxy 6S like this. Okay, this three Galaxy 6, you see Galaxy 6 and Galaxy 6 Edge and Galaxy 6 Edge Plus like this. See it? Okay, I need to show you how you can come inside, how you can open it, how you can do something, how you can change something. If you don't work, you need to put it in this like this. I have like this. You need to put it to this place, but you need to put ballastic like this, ballastic. Okay, you need to put the phone over this back cover, to put it in this hot, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. After you can put it here 3 minutes, you need to take it up, back cover outside. Maybe 3 minutes finish, I need to take it up. This one Galaxy 6 Edge Plus, you see, it is hot. You need like this to open back cover. If you don't have like this, you need another one like this. You need another one. If you have like this, you can open it. Okay, now I need to open back cover for this one. If I can take this, I can put it here to this side. I need to open like this. Okay, I need to go, you see, inside. You see, you need to go. Okay, Galaxy 6 or Galaxy 6 or Galaxy 6 Edit or Galaxy 6 Edit Plus or Galaxy 7 or Galaxy 7 Edit or Galaxy 8 or Galaxy 9 or Galaxy 10. All the same, you need to put it back cover in this place. After can be hot, we need to take it outside. I need to take it outside now. You need to be careful for by shape. You have here by shape after this cover. You need to be careful to don't cut it. You need to be careful to don't cut it. After you can take it like this. Back cover, you see it for Galaxy 6 Edge Plus. You see 6 Edge Plus, big one. Okay, model number GTR SND 928. Okay, this spy sheet. You be careful to don't cut it in. Okay, you need to be careful to don't cut it in, because this one, it is very important to your phone. Okay, now I need to take only screw outside. I need to open only screw. Okay, after I can open it only screw, I need to take SIM home outside. You have SIM home in this side for Galaxy 6 Edge Plus, and all the same for Galaxy 6 Edge small one and big one Edge Plus, all the same. If you can work to Edge all the same, SIM home up. Okay, you need to take SIM home outside. Okay, after you finish for score, on the score you need to take this up. You need to put your finger on the side where there's a battery, and you can push it, and you need like this to open it. You need to put it here inside like this. You see, you need to put it inside. After that, you need to take it up like this. Galaxy 6 Edit or Galaxy 6s or Galaxy 6 Edit Plus. You need to open like this. Galaxy 6 Edit Plus, you see this one, the after back cover you have like this. Okay, like this. Okay, you need to put it here. Number 2, first one I take this one outside. Number 2 I take this outside. You see motherboard inside how look like for Galaxy 6 Edge Plus. You know, if you need to see model number, you can see it in this place. Okay, in the flat chart. Okay, if you need to see it in the place for flat chart. Okay, or if you need to see it in this side here, you have model name here. Okay, now I need to open inside. I need to take battery up. After that, I need to take connector for LCD up. After that, I need to take connector for antenna up. I need to take all the same connector for inside headphone up. I need to take connector for sensor up. After that, I need to take motherboard outside. Now I need to take motherboard outside like this. I can take it outside. Okay, I can take it outside like this. You see this motherboard for Galaxy 6 Edit or Galaxy 6 Edit Plus like this. You see this motherboard. Okay, now I need to come inside. Okay, I need to take battery outside. Maybe I need to put flex like this, flex number 530. Okay, you need to put it in this side, and you need to take the battery outside. Okay, you need to take battery outside like this. You need to put this inside. You need to take battery like this up. Okay, you can take it outside, put it here to another side. You see, for Galaxy 6 Edit or Galaxy 6 Edit Plus, you have only 4. Okay, 1 back cover and battery. 2, you have inside cover. On the same you have motherboard. On the same you have LCD look like this. For Galaxy 6 Edit Plus, you have LCD like this. Flat charge inside. If you need to change flat charge inside, you need to be careful to change flat charge, because you have home button and you have all the same this side. See the up. Okay, you can see here you have inside headphone. Okay, inside headphone. Okay guys, now I'm talking about Galaxy 6 or 6. Now I'm talking about Galaxy 6 Edit or Edit Plus. Okay, you know I'm talking about this phone. I'm talking about this phone. You have 3 cover, 3. You have back cover, inside cover, and LCD only 3. The number 4 motherboard. Okay, this one, if you need to open Galaxy 6 Edit or Galaxy 6 Edit Plus like this. Okay, now I need to show you a Galaxy 6 for Galaxy 6 Edit Plus in this side. Another side I need to put how after I can open Galaxy 6. Okay, I can open Galaxy 6. I have like this for Galaxy 6. Okay, I have like Galaxy 6. I have 4. One back cover. Galaxy 6. I have back cover. Number 1. Number 2 have this one. Number 3 have LCD. Number 4 have this one. You see, have this one. You can put it motherboard inside. Okay, I need to show you what is the difference for LCD for Galaxy 6 Edge or 6 Edge Plus or 6S. This LCD for Galaxy 6S. You see, this one LCD for Galaxy 6S. This one LCD for Galaxy 6 Plus. You know, this for Plus. You see Galaxy 6 Plus, okay, or 6 Edit Plus or 6 Edit look like this LCD, okay, and on the same note have side like this, but you see Galaxy 6 like this. This one Galaxy 6 with this one LCD for Galaxy 6 Edit or Galaxy 6 Edit Plus, okay.